I haven't met Dr. Bhooshan before, but I've seen his Twitter timeline, and he comes with immense experience in child psychiatry. So it's quite evident from this 2 hour session. There was not one moment when I felt like I'm tired or bored. Everything was very interesting, and I think the main takeaway was, uh, the advice on assertive parenting. Okay, and related to that is the point that tantrums can never kill children; they can kill the parents. So that was one huge learning, which is probably going to be a game changer for me as a parent.
It was like a torchlight on the situations and decisions connected to gadgets and devices. One learning point was about privacy, about monitoring and setting limits, and to be comfortable about enduring limited pain now versus unlimited pain later.
I found this session very helpful and candid, right? A lot of practical insights we were able to get. Thank you, Doctor. It's really helpful. It's helping us to not only validate, also kind of course correct wherever it makes sense.
So thank you to GenWise for arranging this and helping us transition from real life workshops to online workshops and making them equally effective. And I thank you all for being so honest. That is really important, and that's why it is always a closed group and it always remains a private group for the same reason that we all are in the same boat. But you put away your inhibitions. You were able to open up and speak about it and be ready to hear a few difficult things as well. I think that is very valuable as human beings, as parents, and that is what saves us, because we learn from each other and we save not only ourselves, but we save an entire generation of children.
I found session very helpful. The kind of insights came, I could totally relate them to the behavior what I see in my kid, and how I fail miserably many times just to read those signals and treat with them.
Like all the little incidences that you shared about how to handle each situation, they are very useful, because at many times we don't know what to say, what to do at certain times when things are actually happening. It's kind of 1 hour which you had of discussions. It really gave a lot of insight into how to handle situations which we all are coming across actually.